Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your device and plan allow tethering. This avoids surprise blocks. Once confirmed, make sure the phone has at least 20% battery or is plugged in so the hotspot won't die mid-use. Next, open Settings, find Network or Connections, then Hotspot or Personal Hotspot and toggle it on. You'll see a network name and default password. Make note of both, because you need them for client devices to connect securely and quickly. Once the hotspot is active, you must secure and optimize it. Change the SSID from the default and set a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password so others can't piggyback on your data. Then choose the band, 5 GHz for speed and shorter range, 4 GHz for broader coverage, pick based on distance. Limit the number of allowed connections and enable data saver or tethering restrictions to prevent a single device from burning through your plan too fast. Now connect client devices. Select your SSID and enter the password. If a device won't join, forget the network and reconnect to clear old settings. Monitor data usage and disconnect idle devices to preserve bandwidth. Once done, make sure no background apps are consuming data. If speeds drop or there's no internet, toggle airplane mode on the hotspot device, restart the hotspot, or reboot the phone. These quick steps resolve most problems and get you back online reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.